In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Instagram, but on your computer. Let's say your phone's dead and you want to block someone on Instagram and you want to do it on your computer. It's just another avenue to use. It's very easy to do. So what you can do is you can either go through your friends list or just go ahead and simply just type this into the search bar itself. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in I'll just use one of my recent searches here. I'll just go to this one here. So just like your phone, you want to come to their profile and you're going to have some options here at the top right next to their name here. And you want to go to the three dots at the top of their profile. So once you click those three dots, you can go ahead and hit block. Block Disney Food Blog. It's very easy to do, just like your phone, and go ahead and block that user. And there you go. It's very simple and very easy to do, just like it would be on your phone. But sometimes maybe you're someone that wants to use the interface or the space that you would have on your computer compared to your phone, and that's how you do it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.